Hello, I'm Robert, and you're welcome here in my busy little shop. On today's episode of What's on My Workbench, it's the day before Thanksgiving. I wanted to wish everybody out there a happy Thanksgiving. I've been well blessed. I appreciate everybody's support. I hope that you're able to spend time with family as well. I look forward to this time of year, a little bit cooler temperatures and time to see family, and of course, maybe get a piece of pumpkin pie and some things that go with Thanksgiving. But I also wanted to let you know, throughout the year, I have people ask me, where do you buy your leather? Where do you find your best deals and such? And there's 2 times a year that I typically indulge in my leather purchasing. And I know I've got a lot of leather. You guys saw me load it up in Colorado to bring it down here for the winter season. But I want to make sure I have a good selection of colors because the SB foot leather that I use it for my totes, DOP kits. I've got some other bags coming up that I'm working on. I want to do a redesign of my weekender bag. It's been a while since I made one of those. And I use the SB foot leather for quite a bit of that. So Montana Leather has a Black Friday sale, and it is on Black Friday. I know a lot of people stretch this out for a month before Thanksgiving. And it's $70 a side. And I know there's other people that have similar pricing, but even if you buy one side, it's free shipping. So I think that's really a pretty good deal. So I'll be looking at what colors I need to kind of get my range of color. It looks like I need some black, and I noticed they had some black on there. So, and then Rushmore, I have 2 tote videos that I use the Rushmore, and both of those were in the cognac, which is a really nice, soft, buttery feel. So I'm probably going to have to buy some of that as well. They usually have it 2 thicknesses. The lighter weight one is the 3 to 4, and it doesn't have a firm temper for like a large tote that you want to stand on its own. But if you're lining it, I'm thinking I'm going to use it for some of the drop-in liner bags that I'm planning on making after the first of the year. So I'll be looking at those colors. They have 4 colors on sale. Let's see if I can get them right. There's a green, a blue, a red, and the cognac. So I'll be buying some of that as well. Also, their MTL veg tan leathers, 145 a side in a full range of thicknesses up to, I think it was 8, 9. Well, I just wanted to just get a quick message out there, let you know about that sale. Whatever I don't get here, I'll be looking for things at the Prescott Leather Trade Show coming up at the end of February. So that's my next opportunity to splurge on some leather. I'm sure there'll be some sales around Christmas, but I find that the Black Friday sales are usually the better ones out there. I appreciate you taking time to be within the shop today. Please like, share, and subscribe. But more importantly, I hope you and your family have a blessed Thanksgiving.